I just can't survive long enough. The new Zelda game. Yeah, oh, that's right. That does come out this month, huh? Yeah, Warhammer's dope. I really wish you didn't just get absolutely just. It feels like you're a piece of paper on this difficulty. Like you don't feel like an all be hero. Go. Reload. Alright, we can get 2 executes off. Perfect. There we go. Oh, dude, I missed out on my execute. Alright, I'm just going to use this right now to hopefully have it back up later on in the fight. Ammo cache. Hey. Gotta take out this sniper, bro. ASAP Rocky right here. Yes, give me life. Where's the elite that's causing these guys to be here? Oh, there he is. No! Dude. Go. Heavy bolt. All right. There's one. Oh, damn, dude. That got one of them down quickly. I gotta... I gotta get back. We can take this other Zoan out.